Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you Maldives teaching job vacancies. If you are considering international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.villacollege.edu.mv. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Villa College Maldives. In this main page, left corner careers available. If you click in careers, you can get what are the vacancies for Villa College academic year 21-22 and 22-23. So first one is graduation officer registration department. A full-time vacancies. Remuneration is 5,000 per month. Service allowances 3,000 per month. Qualification A-level experience. So experience in the related field will be an added advantage. So interested candidate fill the Google application form. So before December 12, 2021. So the link available in the below description. So if you want the description, you can click this position description. The next one is Quality Assistant Coordinator, Institute for Academic Development. The vacancy type full-time, remuneration Rupia 18,000 per month, service allowance 4,500 per month. So qualification bachelor or master, statistics or higher education or research. Minimum 2 to 3 years experience. So if you are interested these job vacancies, you can submit the Google application form. Link available in the description. So make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification, job description, etc. If you meet the requirement, you can apply as per the instructions. For example, if you want the position description, you can click this link, position description. This is position description for quality assurance coordinator. The deadline is December 12. The date job posted is December 6. So what are the responsibilities? Other responsibilities. Education and experience, desired skill, personal qualities. So before applying, please check your job description. The next one is Administrative Officer, Institute for Research and Innovation. Administrative Officer, Rupia 5,000 per month for remuneration, service allowance 3,000, qualification A level. Administrative Officer, Faculty of Sharia and Law. Remuneration 5,000 per month, service allowance 3,000, experience in related field will be an added advantage. So Google application link and position description will be available in the vacancies. The next one is lecturer, senior lecturer in science. The remuneration 18,000 to 20,000 per month. Service allowance 4,500 to 6,000 per month. So qualification is bachelor degree or master degree in the field of science. That means biology, chemistry, physics or teaching science. So PhD in the related field would be an added advantage. Minimum 1 year's experience in territory teaching. So interested candidate fill the Google application form. So before December 8, 2021. So Administrative Officer, Faculty of Educational Studies. So these are all the job vacancies. How to fill the Google application form? For example, if you are interested for Quality Assurance Coordinator, you can click this link. It will be redirected to the Google application form. This application form should take approximately 15 minutes to complete. There are 10 sections in this application form. We will require to upload your documents. So make sure before applying, please check all your details. The post name is Quality Assurance Coordinator, minimum requirement and deadline December 12. So once you have filled, you can give it to the next. Personal details. If you are non-Maldivian, you can fill it that. That means your passport details. This job is open for both expatriate and Maldivian. So what are the educational qualification, bachelor degree, master degree, and your PhD details? Training and workshop you have attended. Page number 6, work experience, teaching experience, references. So research papers and publication you can include here. Other achievement. So why should we hire you? So you can give some answers. So document upload, CV, passport, PhD certificate, your consolidated mark sheet for transcript, master degree and bachelor degree, other training certificate, work experience letter, publication reference letter, achievements. Then if you have any other supporting file, you can add the file here. Once you have submitted all those things, you can submit the job application form. Once you have submitted, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. So if you want a copy of response, you can click this link, send me a copy of response. So like that, you can apply Villa College, Maldives. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. All the best for your job search. Thank you.